What's the meaning of concuss? Concuss. Concuss.
Concuss. Concuss. The verb concuss means to shake violently or cause a sudden disturbance, usually resulting in injury or damage. The result of a concussive event can range from mild to severe, depending on the force of impact and the area of the body affected. Symptoms of concussion may include headache, nausea, dizziness, confusion, and loss of consciousness. In some cases, concussions can cause long-term neurological damage or even death. It is important to seek medical attention after experiencing a concussion to properly diagnose and treat any potential injuries.